Hey guys, welcome to Keerthana Cooks. Today let's see how to make a creamy mushroom pasta packed with loads and loads of flavors. If you like my recipes, please subscribe to my channel Keerthana Cooks and press the bell icon for instant notifications. Let's start by adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter on a hot pan. Once the butter melts, we'll add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic. Let's saute the garlic nicely. I have chopped around 1 cup of sliced onion here, adding in the onions here. Let's saute the onion too. I have quartered the mushrooms. It is around 3 cups of mushrooms here. You can even slice the mushrooms finely if you like it. Let's saute the mushrooms along with the onion and the garlic. We need to cook until the mushrooms turn a bit golden color. Adding in a tablespoon of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper. Now let's mix the herbs and the spices with the mushrooms. Once the mushroom is cooked, let's simmer our stove and add in the cream. Here I'm using 2 cups of half and half. You can use whole milk or you can use heavy cream too. The all-purpose flour that we added earlier will help our half and half to become nice and thick. Our cream is now delicious and creamy. The caramelized onions, the mushrooms and the cream is always a match made in heaven. You should definitely try out this recipe. Now we'll add in our cheese. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese here. Let's keep the flame in low and cook until the cheese melts. I have cooked around 2 cups of penne pasta here. Let's add in the pasta. We want our pasta to be coated with the mushroom sauce completely. So let's toss it nicely and cook for another 5 more minutes. Yeah, it looks good now. The pasta is completely coated with the delicious sauce. Adding in some extra cheese here, a tablespoon of Parmesan and 2 tablespoons of Cheddar cheese. Our mushroom pasta is now ready.